Hello and welcome to my first video in my learning to create or rather grow a YouTube channel, and this video will be concerned with creating a Google account which gives you access to a Gmail as well as a YouTube account amongst other things. So I hope you are following along what I did there on screen, simply googling Gmail to bring me to this point. Now we go to create an account, which brings us to this online form to fill in. As you can see, your Google account gives you tailored access to their services, including Mail, Maps, YouTube, Google Play, amongst others. So we fill in our name, what we would like our Gmail to be named, and a password, and this indicator gives you guidance. And once we've filled in our birthday, gender, phone number, and a current email address for verification, we can click next and be brought to the next step. Privacy and terms, of course. We all know, I'm sure, how crucial it is that we read through all this with extreme care and consideration. And once you have read every word at least 3 times over, we can hesitantly agree. And we arrive at a very warm welcome page which declares our email address. Notice the Gmail takes no consideration of capital letters. It's all in lowercase. And if you were to send to a Gmail using uppercase, it would convert this, so providing the letters were still correct, it would still deliver. Let us continue to Gmail, and voila! Another pleasant greeting awaits us. They even claim to do the heavy lifting for us. And here we are. It is all ready to use. We have 3 introductory mails from Google with tips to get the most out of Gmail, and another one providing some guidance and customization options, and some promotion for their Gmail app should you be interested. And that is all you need. Despite the indication here we are at 10% setup progress. Of course you may complete these. Other options such as uploading a profile pic or choosing a theme, importing contacts and mail, which may be very important for some. However, it's certainly not a requirement for me at this point, and so I won't be going into them now, but they all should be fairly straightforward to set up also. There is a help box at the side. You should find any extra info you may need. Our inbox is split into 3 tabs, one for promotions from Google, one for social networks, and a primary tab. Down the side we have our inbox, starred mail, sent mail, drafts, important, chats, all mail, spam, and trash sections. And that, I think, covers everything that the average Gmail user would be interested in. Let's go back to My Account, which claims to give you quick access to setting and tools that let you safeguard your data, protect your privacy, etc. So we have sign-in and security, personal info and privacy, account preferences, security checkup, find your phone, my activity, privacy checkup. Click this YouTube portal which will take you to the YouTube homepage, and you should already be signed in under your Google account. There we are. By clicking on this avatar we can see our name, Gmail, and access to My Channel and Creator Studio. So it's very easy to set up your channel from here. Just go to My Channel and choose to create channel, which I will go further into in another video. But thank you for watching this one. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye now.